If you think budgeting apps are boring or restrictive, you might be surprised by what Metro Money is doing in 2026. Most people get this wrong, but budgeting doesn't have to feel like punishment. Metro Money is a personal finance app focused on everyday spending awareness and smarter decision making. It connects to your accounts and categorizes transactions automatically, giving you a real-time view of your financial habits. What sets Metro Money apart is its lifestyle-based budgeting system. Instead of rigid categories, it groups spending into themes like essentials, flexibility, and lifestyle upgrades. This makes budgeting feel more realistic. For example, eating out occasionally isn't treated as a failure, but as part of a flexible plan. Another standout feature is its real-time alerts. If spending in a category starts getting out of control, Metro Money notifies you immediately. You won't believe how effective this is compared to end-of-month budget reviews, which often come too late. Metro Money also includes short-term goal tracking. Whether you're saving for a trip or paying off a small debt, progress is displayed visually, keeping users motivated without pressure. However, Metro Money does not offer lending or investing tools. It's focused purely on spending control and awareness. Metro Money is best for people who want to understand their habits and stay on track without feeling restricted. In conclusion, Metro Money app in 2026 is still worth it if you want a smarter, more human approach to budgeting. If practical money tools interest you, don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this.